Please find out if you have had an increase in record requests over the last 2-3 weeks. If you have, you can talk to me privately, you can talk to me publicly, however you want to do that, but I want you to really pay attention. It is a sign that the Disability Law Center or Disability Rights, whatever, is actively looking at your program. They are allowed to investigate regardless of the wishes of the parent or a professional or the ethical requirements of the caregiver. If your program is contacted by the protection and advocacy system in your state, you have a couple of things here. We have listed 5 things. Ask what's the basis for the request to inspect or just the general basis for the request for records or interviews. Ask if they have a HIPAA authorization consenting to the release of the protected health information. If they won't give you the name of the person for whom they are investigating, ask if the inquiry is based on a current student or a past one. Inform them that you're going to refer their request to your legal department and that the legal department will respond. Be very polite, but decline to let them onto any non-public portions of your program until the attorney has had a chance to review the basis for their request. With the DLC being active, I would ask that people, if you have questions about this, to call me or get a hold of, call myself, call the home office. Let's not email. That is something that will be discoverable if things go to court. If you want to talk to your licensor, you've got a good relationship with them, give them a call too. Don't put it in email.
And so it appears that they're trying to have the records before they contact the program in some cases. And so I don't know where that's going to lead. But they're clearly looking for multiple records on kids from the same program in different states right now, it appears.
So we've had a program outside of Utah who had records requests of about 12 that former students come through in basically a 24 or 48-hour period. And they were all asking for the same records, the same kind of language. Now that's either a sign of a class action lawsuit or it's a sign that the DLC is involved. Fun fact, the DLC can also help to formulate a class action lawsuit. And then we were just made aware of another program in a different state, so 3 states now, where they have had a large increase in records requests over a very short time period, as well as using the same language.